Early Monday morning, police launched a targeted operation in Sticky Lane, Grange Hill. Around 4:30 a.m., officers went to a house in Top Lincoln District. Shots were fired. 3 male occupants were later pronounced dead. One of them was 15-year-old Sheldon McCalla, a Petersfield High student. Another, 25-year-old O'Dane Budif Bibaran, was from Paradise. The third man remains unidentified but is said to be related to Sheldon. Police say they seized 2 illegal guns and 8 rounds of ammo. The full details of what happened inside the house have not yet been released.
A good little youth, where him go bush go catch crab and every little thing, and he make raising pole, selling liquor pole and making money. Sat them here him go bush. I look crab. Boy, feel sad, much up, because right now we don't even eat from morning. You know you want to drive from morning just to find the spot. Can't find the spot. I know, go daily. Can't get to identify him same way. Right now, I don't know his grandfather managed down there. His grandfather can't see him again. No Sheldon to cook food to him again. Nothing. I just look after his grandfather food and every little good send out of him. His mother there came on. His father supposed to be a town and drive truck. And we grow him. We don't have nothing about badness. So I don't know what wrong. Trust me, when we hear say a Grange Hill, I wonder where I do a Grange Hill. Now them are Turks here. If I'm Billy call this morning, you know, I say, he get a call saying grandson drop out. So we can't go down a dial if we go identify. Then so we have to wait until the officer them come. So we left him down there and we drive come this. We don't see him yet. Then say in the park. 3 of them in the park. We don't see none of them yet.
He was given a letter to take his parents because of uniform violation. And we just went home and did not come back. That was from about December. So we have been reaching out to him from the school. And we were told that he had promised that he would come back to school after Easter. He was not a model student. When I spoke to the Dean of Discipline, he said that the plan is to meet with the students in the class. They have not yet taken a decision about brief counseling.